Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. In this tutorial we will learn the modify section of Sketcher Workbench of Fusion 360. So for modify a section, the first command is fillet. We create a sketch. This is our rectangle, and we can access it from here or we can click from here. So click here, and this is our fillet. We can adjust it by using this arrow like this, or we can give the radius to this fillet. The next is chamfer. There are three types of chamfers. The first is equal distance, and then distance and angle, and then two distance chamfer. We try equal distance chamfer. Click on this vertex, or we can select our first line and second line like this, and then we can adjust our chamfer. And this is the dimensions for this. We can change it. If I type 20, we can write this, or if I go back and then go to chamfer, equal chamfer, then we can simply type 20 or 25. Then it will change both dimensions for this point to this point and this point to this point equally. The second type of chamfer is distance and angle. So this is our chamfer. We can give the distance, and this is our distance, and then we can adjust the angle. So by pressing tab we can access to the angle. Then if I want to put a chamfer on 45 degree, then press 45, and this is our chamfer. The third type of chamfer is two distance chamfer. We can change it like this, or we can change the values from this, like 15. And the next is blend curve. Blend curve creates a tangent or a curvature continuous blend curve between the endpoints of two sketch curves or edges. So if I have a spline, and also I create a new spline, and if I want to create a new spline between these 2 points, then I can use it from here, but that is a complex job, so I will use a blend curve. So this is my first curve and this is my second, and then we can notice that we have a new spline which is continuous and tangent to this curve and this spline and this spline. Also we can do the same with line. For example, this is our line, and if I want to create a blend curve, then it will create a curve which will be tangent to this line and this line to maintain the curvature of a sketch. And the next is offset. For offset, we can press O, and it will create a copy of a sketch. So this is our rectangle. If I want to create an offset, so we can choose this rectangle, or we can adjust chain selection from here. If I want to select only one line, then keep it unchecked and then click on this, and we can notice that only one line is selected. But if I want to select all of this sketch, then go to chain selection. After this we can adjust a distance. For example, this is a 5 millimeter distance, and then also we can use two sides. Then it will create a mirror inside of this sketch. So if you want to flip this direction, then we can also do that like this. So in this way we can create offset of any sketch. After offset we have trim. For trim we can press T. If I want to delete any sketch or any line or any feature, then we can use trim. We can notice that if we move our cursor near to any sketch, then that sketch becomes highlighted, so we can remove that sketch easily. And the next is extend. So extend is also a very useful tool in sketch. So if I have this sketch and I want to extend it up to this, so I can use extend. So this is how this will work. And if I want to extend it further, then I don't need to create any line for this. I can simply go to extend, and also this will extend like this. So it will be a continuous line from this point to this point. And the next is break. It will create a continuous line where it intersects with the other line. So we can notice it like this. Now this is a separate line and this is a separate line. If this is a continuous line and we want to break it from this point, click on this, and then notice that now we have two separate lines. The next is sketch scale. If we have a sketch and the dimensions are and we want to scale it, then we can use sketch scale. Select this and we can use this as over origin. If I want to make it double size, then I can press 2, and if I go to inspect and measure, and then I can notice that the length is 200 millimeter. The next is move and copy. For move we can press M. This is our object. If I select all of this, then here if you want to create any copy, then click on this, and then we can move it like this, and also we can rotate it, and also we can change the values here. If I move the sketch, we can notice the change in distance and also change in angle. This is a free move. If I select on translate only, then it will only translate it in X and Y direction. If I select rotate, then this will only rotate this one if I put any angle. Our modify section is also complete. In the next video we will learn constraints which are very important in sketch. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.